on the Atlanta Beltline, and one of the easiest ways to get around is on an electric scooter.
All right, we're going to rent a Lime scooter. So what we're going to do is take the app, scan the code here, and I guess we're now able to ride.
We're on the East Atlanta Beltline, and I'm gonna ride a scooter. Yeah.
That's how I.
Oh.
How much slower? I know, so is mine. And I'm watching those two, and they're like speeding away. Karen, we can't go as fast as you.